Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video and if you're into Huck's World, and today we got another watch face giveaway for you by Papy. So stay tuned, it's coming right up. Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video, and today we got another watch face by Papy. Papy definitely continues to donate. Thank you, Papy. Thank Papy for the donation, you all. Now, the name of this watch face is called PW49. I like this one particularly. In the always on mode, you're pretty much going to get your digital time. You're also going to get info on your step status. But when the watch face is on, I like the design of this one. You got digital time. You also get your money, your date at the top, animated seconds, dead center. You get the day, you get your year, and also you get shortcuts, kind of rounded off. I really like that design. So you're going to get your weather, your text messages. You can make a phone call, check your email. You can also play your music straight from here, and they are all interactive. Over here, you're going to get your goal. On the right-hand side, you're going to get your battery info. I like the layout of this. Come right up under, you're going to get your step status info, steps, calories burned, heart rate, and you're going to get distance walked or ran. So this is definitely a nice look. I'm liking it. And if I double tap, I can customize the color of the watch face. I thought this was definitely a good look, and he added some really nice colors to this as well. All right, you all, what do you think? I know you gotta like it. This one here is awesome. All right, let's check out watch face number 2. Watch face number 2. Now, number 2 is just as nice as the first one. This one is called PW47 Gear Sport. Now, I'm liking the silver tone, black background, and always on mode. You're going to get the same look as you did with the first one. You're going to get your digital time. You're also going to get your info on your step status. But when the watch face is on, I like the design. I like the layout. I like the digital time being dead center like that. You got your day at the top. You got the days of the week up at the top as well. It's going to be highlighted in green to let you know what day of the week it is. You also get your year. You come down, you got a couple more shortcuts, your calendar. You can set an alarm. I'm liking this. Come down up under the time, you get some more shortcuts. You get weather, you get email, you get phone, you get settings. And of course, they are interactive, so you can tap on them, go right into it. Down at the bottom, you get more info on your heart rate, your steps, miles walked or ran, calories burned. I'm thinking this is really a good look. And you also get your goal completed right here. I'm going to double tap. I can customize the color of this watch face, which looks really rich. I like that red. So this isn't a bad look. And again, this is affordable in the Gear Manager store, but you do have an opportunity to win one. So all you got to do is just keep coming back here, check it out. And all you got to do is comment, and you have an opportunity to win a free watch face. One of each. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, subscribe to my channel. And as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.